everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with some fun Happy Mail share. I came home from a long week of work and I received my embellishment box package from Toni, who's CraftPurge here on YouTube and Instagram. She hosted her first group swap and I'm super excited to be able to participate and support my girl. And I'll leave a link down below to the video of her showing all the boxes in my group and also my video showing the tops of my boxes and how I decorated them. I'm super excited. I really totally needed this week. And yeah, let's dive in to these beautiful, gorgeous boxes. I'm just going to show you. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I mean, this is kind of cool, you know, I mean, to get all different kinds of like styles from people that I've never swapped with before. I'm so excited. I'm just going to open this one first and kind of walk you through what's inside here. And look at this box. I mean, this is like, I kind of caught the winner over here. I mean, this is like pretty much my vibe. And I guess there's benefits of sending your box super early. I'm so happy with this. How pretty this is. A lot of like Maggie Holmes ephemera, and then she clustered her own flowers on top. I'm loving this. And yes, this box is making me happy. And I love the use of washi tape on the edges. I used like trim, but you know, this is also brilliant. I have so much washi, I never use it too. So I'm going to open this box up and let's see. How cute. Okay, so this is from Samantha, who is Holland Girls mom here on YouTube, and her Instagram handle is Sammy_crafty_teach, and I'll leave links down below for you to go and check out these really super talented ladies. Yay, look at how cute this box is. Okay, so this first little corner over here, we've got some clips. So pretty. Thank you. I actually like hoard clips. I never use them. I really do. I have a whole like box of clips, but yeah, I will get there. In this little pocket here, we have some fun sequins. Look how cute these are. Let's see. I'll put that back in there. Oh, how cute. This is like a really fun heart. And this is a really cool minty green. And like, I like how you sealed it. It looks like little snack bags of sequins. So cool. Thank you so much, Samantha. And then in this little pocket over here, I'm just going to point to it. We've got some fun pom-poms. I also have a little pom-pom situation in mind too. We've got some clippies here. These are fun. Add a fun little tassel charm on this. And these cute little bows. How cute. Did you make these? They're so cute. We got some fun, like Michael's bling, and we got some foam flowers in this pocket, and really just all my colors. Loving this. And here we have some fun tassels, and these look like the All Hearts collection tassels. How cute are these? And she made these. How fun and kind of genius. Love these. Thank you so much. You know, we have tons of paper, might as well use it. And here we have some buttons. We got some heart buttons. Oh, and she put some sequins in there. How cute is that? Got some fuzzy hearts. Super duper fun. Love this. It's like a little heart pocket, puffy heart pocket. And look how teeny tiny these rosettes are. Good vibes. Today is a new day. Yes, it is. Well, tomorrow will be, but... Oh, how cute is this? Look, she made her own little flower embellishment with rolled up tulle and some layered flowers. Love that. And then in here we have lots of resin little gemmies, and I also included a lot of resin gemmies. So great minds think alike. Thank you so much, Samantha. I love my box. Okay, so we have box number 2. And let me just see. Okay, and look how pretty this is. This is like some really pretty, I don't know if this is trim, but this gorgeous paper flower. I love this, and the color is just so stunning. So pretty. Thank you so much. Let's see who this is from. Oh, here's her card. This is with his gifts. And this is from Areli. And this is her information. And this is so cute. I love the professional card. And let's open the box. Okay, look how exciting. Okay, we've got some flowers here. And, oh, these are handmade. These are like crepe paper flowers. It's so pretty how you made them. Love these. They're so dainty too. Okay, and then in this little pocket here, we have some trim. Love that. And we have really some, oh, how cute. You did it by color. Some minty clothespins. In this one, we have really fun pink trim. And I love how you wrapped it. So cute. And I love this little blush pink clothespins. Ooh, look at how teeny tiny this little bling is. Oh my god, and you cut up like so much. Yes, girl. Love, 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 love this. Thank you so much. We have some really pretty, oh, these are stickers. White ribbon bow stickers. Love these. Oh, this box was like giving me life. Yes, pink, mint. We've got some really pretty trim here. Floral trim. Love these. And you made doilies. I'm like going all over the place. Oh my god, how crocheted. Doilies are so pretty. Thank you so much, Areli. And we have this little rosette flower embellishment. Super cute. We've got some beads. You know what? It's so funny because I gave some in my box and a lot of these, what are they called? Resin flowers. So, you know, again, great minds think alike. I think that this group match was perfect. It's really my vibe as well. And look at these. What are these? It's like, I don't know if you use glossy accents, but these are so pretty. I love them. Thank you so much. And again, this is with his gifts, and this is her information. Go check her out. I will link her information down below. And the last box here, sorry for the crinkling. Is this gorgeous number here. How pretty. We've got some trim and love the decorated box. It's so pretty. This thicker is so stunning, and she has it layered with some ephemera, a little doily. Love, love, love this. Thank you so much. Let's see who this is from. And this is from Kristina. Okay, and she's Kristina's Craftiness D-Stash. You know, she sells a lot of brand new, all the new stuff on her IG page. And this is her YouTube, Krystinas Kreations. And this is her box. Look how pretty this is. Okay, so we've got some fun little flaggies that you can totally use as embellishments. Love these. Oh, it's like all glittery up over here. We have these teeny tiny rosettes, and they're all sparkly. Look how pretty they are. Love these. And oh, we got a little gemmy that decided to run away. This gem is like gorgeous though. Ooh. Love. It's like so pretty. It's such a cute little bow. Love this. Thank you, Kristina. We have a little flower and some runaway leaves. We have some gold leaves in here. Make a little embellishment. We have some pink bottle caps. I actually want to make some embellishments. These are great. Thank you so much for sharing. We have, yes, some pastel bows. Love these. So cute. Some paper flowers in there. Totally like loving the colors. And we've got some, oh, these look like Hello Kitty bows. And they're so cute and soft. I love them. They're like patches. We've got some ice cream embellishments here. And they're like foam, well, not foam, felt. But glittery felt. Love these. They're so pretty. Thank you. And these adorable bows. I hope, did you make these? They're so cute. So cute. Oh, and got some fun tassels. How pretty are these? Love these. We got some more tassels over here, and she spoiled us with some all hearts. And these are so pretty. Thank you so much. I kind of feel like I hit the jackpot with my embellishments boxes. Thank you, Toni, again for hosting and letting me be part of this wonderful group and selecting such great boxes for me. I'm spoiled. Made my day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye.